The European ageing and inefficient residential building stock needs to be refurbished in order to achieve energy efficiency while securing healthy and comfortable living conditions. The ReCO2ST project aims at developing near-zero energy, cost-effective and healthy retrofit interventions through a systematic three-step approach. First, by the development of a refurbishment assessment tool that will create refurbishment scenarios. Second, by the adoption of integrated project delivery for the formulation of renovation action plans. Third, by the development and installation of a refurbishment package that will include innovative and customizable technologies for personalised renovation. A refurbishment package, the ReCO2ST Retrofit Kit, has been developed and is being installed in European residential demo buildings for demonstrating and validating the ReCO2ST approach.